What's up, guys? So today we're going to be making a Forza drift car. So Forza is just a game where you can drift and just race casually. So yeah, we're just going to be making a drift car. So this is actually the start of the Forza series. So yeah, we're just going to be making a drift car right now. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So let's get straight into it. So the car you're going to need will be a Nissan. Alright, here we are at the Nissan section. So what you're going to need is a Silvia Spec R. It's a common right there. Okay. So you're just going to equip it. It's only 35,000 credits. Now we're going to upgrade the car. So going to upgrade and tuning. Alright guys, so here we are at the upgrade section. So for engine, actually, you're just gonna max out everything for the engine. The race fuel system, ignition, race ignition, exhaust, race cams and valves, same race. So you're basically just gonna max out everything at this point. Yeah. Okay. And so I didn't finish everything. Okay, race. Just select race for everything. Okay, now there we go. Okay, that's all. Now we're going to go into platform and handling. So race brakes, yeah. And they have drift brakes and dampers. Okay. Drift, anti-roll bars. Let's put some so that we don't roll while drifting. Hopefully we don't. And let's put a race chassis so that, it kind of like stiffens the car, so it's nice. Race rate reduction, yeah. Okay, and that should be it for platform and handling, I think. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now drivetrain, clutch, race clutch, yeah. Transmission, okay, you can switch gears, so just go race transmission. Yeah. Okay, now driveline, race driveline. There's no drift, just select race. So differential, driftive, yeah. Okay, select driftive. Now, tires and rims, tire compound, drift tire compound, right there. Yes, select it. Okay, now front tire width. Let's go 245. Now for the rear, we should actually go 255 for the rear. Oh yeah, 255. Okay, now let's do 18-inch for the front. Okay. Now I think we should do 18-inch. And we should go upgraded, yeah. Also, same thing. So, there we go. And now, we are just going to go into the multi-piece rim style. Now, what rims should we get? There's like a lot of rims to choose from. Oh, the HRE. The HRE. That HRE looks pretty nice. HRE 540. Go with the HRE 940, cause like they used to have like the all lights in the Forza Horizon 4, but now they don't. So just select that. Looks pretty clean, slick. So we're just gonna select that. Actually, yeah, let's just select that. Okay, now we're going to just like exit out of here. Now we're going to go into the body kit. Alright, so the Ings one looks good. C West. I think we should go with the C West. But let's check out all the other bumpers. Either the Ings or the C West. C West looks cleaner. Yeah, C West. Actually, it like decreases handling. Trial. Nah, let's go C West. Rear wing, I think we should just keep it stock. The Nismo one actually looks good. But, no, I don't think we should. I think we should just go. So, yeah, I think we should just, just like select it. So, right, we can just do that, yeah. Alright, so now we're here at the back bumper. Top secret, I think we should get. Just do top secret. Ings, it covers the exhaust, that's not good. Nah. Nismo, here we go. I mean, the Nismo looks kind of clean, but not fully. So, I don't think we should get the Nismo. I think you should just get the top secret. Yeah, let's go top secret. It got that drift style. Yup. Okay. Now, time for the side skirts. I think we should just go with the Ings. I mean, the Ings, Nismo, nah. Nismo not looking that good. Top secret? Nah. It's looking kind of goofy. Kinda, Ings got that clean indent. So, I think we should go with the Ings. Yeah, let's go with the Ings. Let's go with the Ings. Looks clean. Alright, so let's just select the trial skirts. No, let's go with the Ings. Okay. Good. Ventilated. Yeah, let's go with the ventilated. Okay, I think we're done with the body kit. Okay, the 3.2 Li6, no, I don't think we should. It's removing a lot of horsepower. Which one do you think? Could we just leave it stock? Or nah, I don't think we should leave it stock. Okay, let's just keep it like that, 3.2. Single turbo, yeah. Body kit? Oh, the Rocket Bunny looks so goofy, bro. What is this? That's better. Alright, now time for the brakes, race brakes. I think we already did all this stuff. Yeah, we already did. Alright, now install setup. The horsepower, it's so bad. Nah, I think we should keep working. Alright, let's go conversion. Okay, let's need a new engine. What? This is even less horsepower? What? Oh, the rotor racing one. Oh, wait. Look at that. Big leap in horsepower. Nice. 40, I think we should get it. 40,000, it's worth it. Oh, 805 horsepower. That's nice. Okay, let's take it. So, okay, now time for tuning. Let's go into the tuning. Why are we back here, bruh? Why are we back here? Okay, wait, I just need to check some stuff. Race weight reduction, yeah, I think we already got all that. Okay, now time for tuning. Time for tuning. Okay, now, so I'm going to show you the share code. You can pause the video if you want for the share code. So, wait, let me just install this and then I'll show you the share code. So, let me show you the share code. Okay. So we just click on it right here. This is the share code. You can pause the video for a second if you want. Alright, once you got that done, you can just go into the, let's paint. Let's paint it. Let's paint the car. Alright, so you can just paint any color you want, but I can give you like an example. I can give you a good color. So we just scroll past all these Hot Wheel things, and we go into the two-tone. We go to the two-tone polished. It looks pretty nice. So I actually learned this trick from Forza Horizon 4. So I like to make mine blue because it looks pretty nice. You can make it any color you want. But yeah, mine looks pretty clean. The hood, I like mine carbon fiber. It's fine if you don't want yours carbon fiber. It really doesn't make a difference. So, brake paint, just you can put it red or any color you want. Tinted windows, I like black. You can put any color you want, but black is probably the best. I suggest black, but you can put any color. Alright, now, I think, yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And thanks for supporting.